Maybe I shouldn't call you or leave a message at all. So I'll try to be patient, 'cause nothing's written on
Hi
the
my
wall.
darlings, how are you? Today I'll show you how to make this elegant, sleek, smooth updo. So begin by making a parting and selecting our crown section like I'm showing, and make with it a ponytail. Then you want to tug on the edge of the ponytail to make it fuller and voluminous. Now you want to grab the ponytail and make with it a simple 3-strand braid until reaching the ends. Then you want to wrap it around the elastic and make sure the ends do not in place like I'm showing. Now you want to use a clear ribbon band to tie it before pinning it in place from both sides. Now you want to select a small section underneath created bun, bring it upwards, twist it a little bit and pin it at the base of the twist in place, and repeat on the other side as well.
To have found someone who is just as crazy as me, or is it just...
Now you want to grab this section with less hair from one side of the parting and bring it backwards. You want to twist it lightly, making sure you hide the bun with it. You want to pin it in place and repeat on the other side as well, like I'm showing here. Make sure to pin it well in place.
Oh baby, love me like you did last night.
Now grabbing the rest of our hair and the ends, you want to roll it like I'm showing, hiding the ends inside. You want to pin it from both sides.
Baby, kiss me till I see the...
Also you can use some grips to fix it well in place. Use some hairspray. Leave some hair out like I did if you want. And you're done! Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this elegant updo. Guys, if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified 3 times a week when I post a new hair tutorial. Love you guys so much. See you soon in my next video. Bye!
I want you here with me so that everything will be as good as they were last night. Oh baby, love me like you did last night.